Welcome to Nikki's channel. I am Nikki and this is my friend Gia and this is my sister Nega. Today we're gonna do experiment. Here we're gonna use oil, water, food coloring, and the powder. Let's start the experience. First we need a pool. We poured water and oil, but the oil didn't sink all the way to the ground because of density. He has more density than the water. Thank you for watching our Nikki channel. If you like our video, please subscribe and put a like below.